gold is setting a trap right now. If you enter early, you will get your loss money. So I'm giving you an exact setup what is going to do right now. Look, I I told today that market is making a gap imbalance and making a wick from, then it will go up from that part. And look, the gold is doing the same as I said. So we have to go at 3 hour time frame to understand what is gold trying to do. Here you can see gold did chalk, and then it is going down and down and making boss. But right now on 3 hour chart, it did what? It did inducement here. Look, it did inducement here, IDM. Look, IDM here, and that is another order block on 3 hour chart. So in my analysis, what is gold trying to do? Gold will go there and making a trap here. Why? Because all are coming to buy the gold, but from there market will tap here and trying to go down again. So what is the exact strategy? It can be there. Here is, we have to wait for the goal to make a clear path we can follow. So in my analysis, gold can make a wick here and did a MSS, and from that last FVG I will enter, and my target is the last as this, because there is another FVG and I will take entry like that. So my entry is that the gold will make a high here and make MSS, and then I will take entry from the last FVG from here, and this is my stop loss and that is my target. If you like the setup, then like my video and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.